Welcome. On the topic we are going to discuss today is about tables, HTML tables, or tables in HTML. Here you can see on your screen backgrounds of table. And there is tables showing on your screen which we are going to make, including rows, column, or text. Here you can see the coding to display the table on your web page. I will deeply tell you about the tags or their function in the video. Here is the table which we are going to create on our web page. The given title of my webpage is my first website, and the heading which is already showing is secure hours. So first of all, if we want to create the table, we will type syntax table and press enter. So here you can see we got syntax for the table. So here you can see we are taking text tr first, it's for the box or background. We will take 2dr to make box or change color behind the text. And th is for headers, so we have to create multiple headers, so we will make copies and fill them with name of weekly days. Now we have to set the timing of given days. So for this we will use td, which is used as for subheading. And now I'm giving today's time, or when it is opened or closed. Now we will use BG color in front of TR, dark gray for headings and light gray for the timings. Now we will change table background color with syntax of BG color. Now I will align the timing section using align syntax. Shortcut way of changing the width, here you can see. First, change the width of one day using width syntax. Then copy this and paste it in all. So we have 7 days and increased width of all. So we will increase the width size of table to 700. So here you can see all cells are aligned well. So that's how you can create table in HTML.